You have no toothbrush? After chewing gum? After gargling? Doesn't refresh your teeth enough? When your teeth need the fresh feeling of brushing, chewable toothbrush, fuzzy brush. This toothbrush, designed based on the research of dentists in the Netherlands, can be chewed like a piece of gum, and it will freshly brush your teeth. Wait, what did you use to make it this good? 100% natural xylitol without any added chemicals. 100% sugar-free. 100% US FDA certificate. 100% highly recommended. Anytime and anywhere. Bring your fuzzy brush.